Now from here, let's try and insert this clip into our timeline. So just click and drag it, just drop it over here, and there you go. Now I want to show you the correlation between the timeline and the preview clip. Now with this selected, as you can see it's selected, I can actually gain control over this clip from over here. I can resize it, I can rotate it, I can do a lot of things from over here. Now you can see that we've activated the ratio clip button, that is. So if I click on it, you can see currently we're on the original ratio. Now what this means is, depending on the device you want your clip to finally play in. So let's say you're designing something for your phone, or for social media, for a tablet, or for a laptop, you will decide, or you will select those ratios from over here. And anytime you make a selection, you will see the change. But for now, so that we can make it easier to learn and understand the program, I'll select original and I'll leave it at that. Now another thing you'll notice is that this pane has changed. Now all these controls are going to directly affect the clip that you've made. Now starting from here, basic, you can change the scaling of your video, you can change the position, you can rotate, you can change the alignment, the opacity, and so much more. Head over to remove background. You can actually remove the background, but here you need human figures because it only works on human figures. You can add a mask to your clips, and you can also retouch. Now that's under video. Under audio here, you can adjust the volume, add in a fade in or a fade out, normalize loudness, or reduce noise. Again, you can manipulate the speed, you can add animations directly to your clip from over here, and lastly, you can make further adjustments to your clip. Now you can change the name, the color, the effects. You can do a lot of things from over here. And anytime you deselect, you can say it will go back. So make sure you have it selected if you want to use it, so that you can access all these commands.